I remember the day I lost my dog, Max. I searched for days, feeling empty. I couldn't believe he was gone. My heart ached every time I thought of him. Then, one afternoon, a neighbor knocked. "I think I found your dog," she said. I rushed over. There he was, wagging his tail, just a bit older. "Max!" I cried, hugging him tightly. He looked up at me, eyes full of love. It wasn't just Max I'd found. It was hope. Sometimes what feels like the end is only the beginning of a new chapter. Like and subscribe if you liked this story.